right now on Fiverr, a whole lot of freelancers thinks Fiverr is there because they are not getting their usual order as it should be, and in other hands, they are still getting their account disabled, flagged, and even permanently disabled. Even immediately they are creating their account, right? You see, this thing that is happening on Fiverr right now is not about Fiverr is dead. It's just that a whole lot have changed on Fiverr, right? And this is not about Fiverr hates you, Fiverr do this. Even though Fiverr value buyer than seller initially, as we all know. But right now on Fiverr, if you want to get an order, you need to sell a service that people are consuming on a daily basis. And mean in any industry that you are, your service must be consumed on a daily basis, because you know AI is taking over everything and people are trying to do a whole lot with AI. But right now in this video today, I'm going to expose you to 5 different gigs that you can set up on Fiverr right now and can guarantee you to make money as much as you can in the online space, right? So these are the secrets that most top freelancers are using. They leverage on daily consumption service, right? Something that people are doing on a daily basis. All right, not just like I'm trying to build a business, and once they build the business, they are off the market. Something that people need the service every other day to make their own money. So I'm going to expose you to these 5 different services that you can sign up on Fiverr right now, and you can set your account to make $100 upward every other week, right? Now, the very first thing that I'm going to talk about is Amazon product listing image, right? You know, a whole lot of creators want to make their products stand out on Amazon so they can get a whole lot of clients to buy their products in the online space. But then, you know, on a daily basis, they want to see what is attracting more people, which is going to be their product image. They want to change it, place it on different objects, and a whole lot of stuff like that, right? Now, the very first thing you want to do is to log into your Fiverr account, or you set up a new Fiverr account, and you can list out this service, Amazon product listing images. All right, so this can be like you using Canva as a template to design images, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds, or you placing the product or the product image on items. Even it might be like a chart like this that you are going to place the banner or anything that they want to mock up. You can place it on. Right now, I'm going to jump on my screen. I'm going to show you how you can use Canva for this particular service and how you can use AI to mock up any type of product image that they send to you that you want to help them create. All right, now let's jump on screen. Right here, I'm just going to go over to my browser right here. So the very first thing is Canva. All right, so once I come over to Canva right now, you are going to just put a template which is going to be like product image. All right, so you are going to see a whole lot of template that you can easily swap to. All right, now let's wait for this to load up. So right here under this template, I'm just going to put something like, okay, product image. That's what I'm going to search. Once I hit search, it's going to load up a whole lot of templates for me. As you can see right here, you can see a whole lot of templates right here, which I can easily select one and just make use of. All right, so most times your buyer might have something like this and they just want another style. So this is what we are going to do right here. I'm just going to put this up. I'm just going to click on this and we are going to enlarge this a little bit and we are going to mock it up on another thing. All right, so let's go over right now. Let's customize this. So once this load up like this, you can easily customize all of these things, change the text, design the image. You can even replace the item with whatever thing that you feel like it resonates with the style. You can see this is like a serum. You can easily like do another, have a lady to hold this thing and you can place it right here to create a stunning image. But for me, let's see what I can do. I'm just going to duplicate this page now. And I'm just going to come over to the second page. I want to hold this for myself, right? I want to use my picture to hold this. All right, so I'm just going to click on this. I'm just going to click on all of these things. I'm just going to click on all of these things. I'm just going to remove it. I'm just going to remove everything right here. I'm just going to remove everything. Okay, so once I remove everything now, I'm just going to align this. All right, so I'm just going to scale it up a little bit. All right, I have this right now. So let me put this down. This doesn't pick up. Okay, let's just leave it this way. It's good. Now let me just download this and we go over to our ChatGPT to mock this up, right? So I'm just going to click on this and I'm just going to like, okay, download the current page alone. So as you can see now, it's downloading to my computer. Where you can just click on save right there and this will be downloaded to my computer, which you can see at the top corner right here. Okay, so but before that get done, let's go over to our ChatGPT. We are just going to write a prompt, a single line prompt. All right, so this is what we are going to put in. I want you to write a prompt, all right, for nano banana to nano banana AI to make the uh person in the second picture hold the product in the first picture without changing the look of the person and the product itself. All right, so you are just going to put that in. It's just something basically simple. And right now, ChatGPT is going to write a prompt that you are going to use for nano banana. All right, so you need to do right here is to come back right here and type nano banana AI studio.google. All right, you can see that. So right now you are going to see this right here. This is the first link. You click on that right there, and now we are going to come back to our ChatGPT to copy our prompt. All right, so all I need to do is just copy this prompt, and I'm just going to copy that. Then I'm going to come over to my nano banana. You can see right there, which you can easily click on get started right there. So once you click on get started right here, it's going to ask you to log into your account, which you can easily do. Then you can see try nano banana. So this is free and you don't need to pay anything to do all of this, right? So there is one black hat. If you want to do this, you can easily create multiple accounts to fulfill this. All right, so I'm just going to delete this initial prompt. So don't forget what we said to our ChatGPT. The first picture is going to be like the product, and the second picture is going to be like the person. All right, so I'm just going to come over right here. Then I'm going to upload file. And once I click on upload file right there, so I'm going to come over to my computer right now. The first picture is the product, which I'm going to go over to pick up right there. So I have the product picture right there, and I'm just going to open that. Okay, so now I'm going to add my own personal picture, and I'm just going to put that in as well. All right, so this is going to load up again for me to pick my profile picture that I want to use, and I can just basically use this. All right, I have this picture right there, and here I'm now going to paste my prompt. All right, then I'm going to click on run. So it's something easy. We are just going to wait for a few seconds for this to get done for us. So it's something basically simple and easy to do. All right, so we are waiting for our nano banana to finish up this task so we can deliver to our client. And as you can see right here, you can see the picture has been generated. Assuming I've cleared the picture to make the product stand out more, you will have seen that right here to see the details. All right, you can see the picture in my hand, right? So this is something basically simple. I believe your client is going to give you like a clear image of their products, and even if it's the clock brand, you can easily go over to place it or free pick to upload it to different kind of items, right? So it's something easy. And just imagine you're able to get like 1 or 2 clients every other week, and you're charging them $50 to $100 to design 5 products image for their product. You just need only 2 clients to secure your $100 per week, which is something basically simple. And if you need this prompt, it will be in the description below. You can click that. All right, now let's move to number 2. Right, the second gig that you can sign up right now is short form video editing. You see, a whole lot of these days people are trying to jump on content creation, and people are starting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even Facebook. All right, now how about you can help someone to edit a ad shot like this so they can post it to their Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, right? So it's something easy which you can easily use CapCut to do. And even if you don't have any experience about how to edit on CapCut, you can easily come over right here on YouTube, search how to edit short form content on YouTube, and you can get to see a whole lot of tutorials that can help you get started. And right now, after watching this video today, or you can go over to Udemy and get some free course for yourself to start this journey. You know, a whole lot of people want to go viral, and they need more people to help them create short form content and make it viral content, right? So it's something you can do, and it's something you can charge between $50 to $200 or even over, depends on how you craft your offer and what you want to do for them. All right, so sign up on that today, and is another thing that you can do for yourself to make money in the online space. And the next one right here is AI content writing or AI copywriting. A whole lot of people are still struggling to use AI. Not everybody know how to use AI the right way to create content that is going to like catchy or make their points clear. All right, and this is something basically simple. You can even use ChatGPT to write a prompt, give it the full information that your client gives to you about what they want to achieve and every tone that they want to use. Now you ask ChatGPT to write a prompt to generate how many words for that particular article. Then you take the whole prompt to like Cloud AI, which is a writer. Just take it over to Cloud AI. You don't need to subscribe. And on Cloud AI is going to write the whole article for you. As you can see, this one right here, you are seeing this is like 15 blog posts right here. And this is what I use AI right here to write for myself and even deliver it to my client. Easy peasy, right? Now, the next thing, which is going to be the fourth one on this list, is social media management or content strategy. You see, a whole lot of businesses, a whole lot of individuals are trying to grow on their social media so they can build their authority, but then they are too busy to be writing what to post and ideas of what they should be sharing to achieve some particular goals. And this is another thing that you can discuss with ChatGPT and let ChatGPT craft a whole week content strategy for maybe a clothing brand or an health brand on Instagram that they want to grow their followers, they want to grow their engagement. You have to tell ChatGPT the goal of them about the particular post that they want to achieve. All right. So all of these things is what you can discuss with ChatGPT, and easily ChatGPT can create this work plan for you. And all you need to do is just to add your own man touch. You have to filter it and rewrite every section that you feel like this doesn't resonate well, or you do the correction by removing the dashes or correcting the speeches. All right. So once you do this, you can easily deliver it on Fiverr, and even you can reach out to businesses that you know or you feel like their product is not doing well on the social media, which is like you reaching out to brands or social media. And if you want me to teach how you can build your own personal branding on social media, I can record that video. Just let me know. Put your comment in the comment section if you want that video. And if you are getting the best value from this video, I want you to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow to 5,000 subscribers before this next month comes to an end. All right. Now, the next thing that I'm going to talk about, which is the fifth one, is websites and e-commerce, especially landing page design. Right? You see, a whole lot of people are launching digital products right now and they want to sell like crazy. They want to have multiple landing pages that can convert their traffic to buyer and convert their clicks to sales. All right. So this is something basically simple. Even myself, I've made a video on how to create a landing page on this channel. I'm going to recommend that shortly, but let me explain how you can get started with website design and e-commerce. All right. So you don't need any prior experience. You don't need technical skill to achieve all of this dream. It's just something basically simple, is to open your head and seek the information where they are. You have the information everywhere. It's just for you to leverage on them and achieve what you want to achieve. All right. Something basically simple. Just put yourself on the Google search right here or on a YouTube search right here and said how to design an e-commerce website. You are going to see a whole lot of videos that's going to pop up on your screen that you can watch and learn the process from. Even at times you don't have any service that you want to render, do it for yourself. Like use it as practice, follow the process, and don't just watch one video because you might not get all of the full gist in one video. Watch multiple as much as you can. This is a free knowledge and it's something you can leverage on for free. And like I said, if you want me to teach how you can build your own personal brand on social media, I will teach that on this channel. Just put your demand in the comment section. I will see to it and I will create the video once I have 100 demand for this video. All right. So this is something basically simple. So if you get best value from this video, I want you to like again, share with your friend, subscribe to this channel, and let's grow together. And for the landing page that I talked about, that I made the video right there on this YouTube channel, all you need to do is to click the video showing up right here, go and learn that landing page design and set up your gig around that. You can even create like 3 to 4 gigs around this landing page design. It might be like for digital products, it might be like for businesses, it might be like for portfolio. Everything right there is going to show you in this video. And what you want to do now is to click that video, watch the video, and I will see you in the next video. Let's go. Go and watch that now and let's make the money together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.